Hello, I'm in a 2015 Jeep Compass, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first you open the hood, and then we'll find the dipstick here. Pull this all the way out while the engine's off. Wipe it clean with a good rag or a paper towel. And then stick it all the way back in, and then pull it out once more. And then we'll check around where this notch is. You can see this grid, it says safe in the middle. You want it towards the left side of that grid. That would be like your full. And if you're getting to the right of where that grid where it says safe is, you're low, and you'll need to add some oil. So let's say it was low. Stick this back in. And then up here, this is where your engine oil will be added. So make sure you're using the proper type of oil. The oil is ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and type of oil you've used before. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But we'll just unscrew this cap, and then with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, fill as needed. Try not to overfill if you can help it too. But once you've added your oil, screw this on tight, and then I would start the car to run the motor for 5 seconds or so to get the new oil to circulate. Turn the car off, and then repeat the process we did in the beginning with this dipstick to see if we're at the full mark now. And all this, I would not do this in place of regular oil changes, which typically do. I put the vehicle on a slight lift so you can get to the oil pan underneath. You pull the oil plug to drain all the old oil out. Replace any filters as needed. Screw on the oil cap, the oil plug again, nice and tight. And then up here, you'd add the recommended amount of oil for your particular motor for your oil change. Screw this on nice and tight, and then again start the motor for 5 seconds or so to run the new oil, turn it off, and then check this dipstick, just like the beginning once more to make sure we're towards that full mark now. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.